A spectacular nomadic migration is taking place on the Arhorking grassland in North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. In order to protect the grassland from overgrazing, herders here take their livestock to summer pastures in mid-June every year. This year, a total of 2,063 households of herders and about 146,100 livestock join in the long journey, which takes 3 days to reach the summer pasture, about 60 kilometers away from the winter pasture. Erdom Bartel is one of them.
今年51岁，从小爸妈跟着下营地去，一开始是开乐车干的，现在到一般农户都开个农台车。50岁了，现在是社会发展了，又方便了，便利了，又是。
Besides modern transportation tools and devices such as smartphones and solar panels, the herder can also enjoy food and get medicine supply provided at rest stations organized by the local government.
文明的，这是草场上的爱护保护，咱们牧民吧，这是少数贫穷好好等，希望生活更好了以后。
The nomadic system of our Arhorking grassland was formally recognized as a globally important agricultural heritage system by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations.